The GreenSock community forums are the best place to get help when you have a question related to animation or a GreenSock tool. However, it's critically important that you provide a minimal demo, perhaps using CodePen, so that we can see your situation. This small investment of time will end up saving you time because you won't have to go back and forth explaining the context. It's easier than you may think. Let me show you. Usually the best place to start is CodePen.io, a site where you can edit HTML, CSS, and JavaScript right in the browser and see the results immediately. If you go to greensock.com/codepen, you'll get this starter template that already loads all the GreenSock tools, including the bonus Club GreenSock plugin, so that you can start coding immediately. Check out how easy it is to animate a box starting from scratch. In the HTML section, I'll get rid of this and create a div with a class of box. In the CSS, I'll add some styles to our box, a width of 100 pixels, height of 100 pixels, and a background color of blue. And then in the JavaScript section, I will create a new tween targeting our box and then animating its X position to 500. So now when I run it, you can see the results in the bottom. Now I can make some changes, like changing this X to 300 instead, rerun it, and you'll see the new results. To save the code in order to share it, click the fork button. Think of forking like a save as button. Please use forking to save different versions of your demo when posting in our forums. For example, if your original post has a demo and then you make changes for a reply in the thread, please use a fork so that the original demo is preserved. That way, people who view the thread later can understand the progression. Once you have forked or saved your demo, copy the URL and go to greensock.com/forums. Click on the appropriate forum and click Start New Topic. Here you can paste in the CodePen URL, add your title, and add some content. Once your post is ready to go, you can click the Submit Topic button. Our forums will automatically convert the CodePen link into an embedded demo for people to see in the thread itself, and your thread will also be made public. We'll be sure to answer it as soon as we can. If you need to load some other JavaScript library, just click the cog icon next to JS. Here we can add as many external URLs as we want. In this pen, we're already loading all the GSAP files, but if we want to add another library like jQuery, we can just start typing it in this box, like JQU, and then click on the suggestion that appears. This will load a CDN version of the library that we chose. You can also use this to add frameworks like Vue or React, though I'll show you CodePen's custom Vue editor a little later in this video. If you need to load external CSS, like Bootstrap for example, you can just click on the CSS tab. Or you can click the cog in the CSS panel. You do not need to put the HTML or body tags in the HTML section. All you need to put in there are the elements that go within the body tags. If you don't see a run button, that means that CodePen's auto update setting is enabled. That's no good when you want to see an animation again, so click Settings, go to Behavior, and then uncheck Auto Update Preview. I also like to uncheck Save Automatically. You can resize panels by just dragging a bar left or right. Or you can double-click on a bar to focus on a section. Or you can change the whole layout by clicking the Change View button and clicking on a layout. The easiest way to create a Vue demo is to make sure you're logged into CodePen and then go to the CodePen homepage. Here you can click the arrow next to Pen and then click View Pen. Then you can add GSAP by clicking the cog next to View and then typing in GSAP into the search field. If you need more GSAP plugins, I think it's easiest to copy the URLs from the GSAP starter pen that we started from earlier. We strongly recommend recreating the problem you're facing in the simplest, most isolated way possible. Generally, it's best to start from scratch and build a representation of your actual environment using just a few generic divs if you can. Please don't just copy your whole project into CodePen because not only might that create confidentiality issues with your client, but it's remarkably inefficient for troubleshooting. The more relevant code you include, the less likely you are to get an accurate answer. Make your demo as focused and concise as possible. Again, we don't need any of your production assets. Use colored divs and other stand-ins to show what's going on. A good rule of thumb is to try and make your demo less than 50 lines of code total. If you're using a build system or a framework like React or Angular, you might be more comfortable creating your demos in a site like CodeSandbox or StackBlitz because they fit that mentality better. First, let's look at codesandbox.io. Click Create Sandbox, select your framework, then click the Add Dependency button and add GSAP. Now you can import GSAP into whatever file you'd like to import it and use it. For importing Club GreenSock plugins, paste the special URL into the dependency field and then press enter. It's very similar for StackBlitz. Just click on the framework that you want to use, open up the dependencies dropdown, and then enter the package name, in this case GSAP. Click enter. You can get these URLs to the special trial versions from the CodePen section of the GSAP 3 install helper at greensock.com/install, or from the starter CodePen that we used earlier. In the install helper, you just scroll down and click the copy URL button for the plugin that you want. Certain plugins like Morph SVG, Split Text, and Inertia plugin are Club GreenSock benefits. You can use trial versions for free as much as you want on sites like CodePen and CodeSandbox, but they won't work on other domains. They'll redirect to this page. Sign up for Club GreenSock to get the official files, which have no restrictions whatsoever. Club GreenSock is a really great investment if you want to take your animation skills to the next level. People usually find that their investment pays itself off in a matter of days. Sign up at greensock.com/club. Now that you know how to create a minimal demo on CodePen, swing by the GreenSock forums and watch how quickly your questions get answered. Visit greensock.com/forums. And while you're there, see if you can answer someone else's question too. It's a great way to learn.